Okay, in email studio, if we click email, today we are going to familiar with these sections: overview, content, subscriber. This is the primary area we are going to familiar today. So first, it is a very important thing is subscriber. So what is subscriber? So first point is subscriber. Subscriber is a person who has given consent to get communication from organization. You may be noticed sometimes, okay, you will get the, okay, it is a subscribe link. Many website at the below, there is one text box section where it is asking to give you an email and to give your consent. So the moment you will give the consent, and actually it will go to their database actually. So, and when you are giving the consent, actually it is a it becomes a subscriber. So who is subscriber? Subscriber is a person who has given consent to get communication from organization. The moment you are, okay, being member of the Amazon or Flipkart, okay, you are signing up. So that means you are giving some consent. At the end, many cases it checks some allow checkbox, giving your consent also. So the subscriber is a person who has given consent to get communication from organization. Next, it is a very important thing to identify every subscriber. To identify every subscriber, there is a unique key. Unique key, okay, because every subscriber, they should have a unique key. So that is a called subscriber key. That is a subscriber key. Okay, and another things we will be create a ID. We can make one things is like a primary key, like email or a name or any, okay, employee ID, student ID. So that is a, it is user defined. That is a, we can make a subscriber ID. We can create a subscriber ID. Next, we are going to familiarize the all subscriber list. All subscriber list. What is all subscriber list? Okay, so all subscriber list. Suppose we are running an organization. Every day we are getting some data. We are collecting some leads from different sources. So the moment we are generating leads, that is a data, but that is not our subscriber. That is not our, okay, any member of the organization. They are, okay, just a prospect. But the moment they are getting membership, joining organization, they become the actually customer, or they become the, okay, here in terms of email studio, it's called subscriber. So all subscriber, it is a list of master list which contain all subscriber. So let us see, okay, in real environment. This is email studio, email. If you click here, so if we go to here, just notice all top, it is a showing, it is all subscriber. This is all subscriber. Okay, click on here. Okay. So these are the all subscriber. These are the all subscriber in this system. It has a per page, the 1 on 3 page number of page. Okay, this is the number of page. Okay, so here we need to be familiar. What is the main things is one is a okay. This is a subscriber key. This subscriber key is unique. Okay, are you able to notice a subscriber key? Ayushi,
yes, sir.
Okay, so this subscriber key is unique. Okay, this is the subscriber key is unique. There are many fields are here. Okay. Okay, so we are familiar now. What is a subscriber? What is a subscriber key? It is unique, and subscriber ID will be also when we create the, we check that we can select one field as a primary. Next, Okay, next we are going to familiar with the term called opt-in. We are going to familiar with the term called opt-in. Opt-in means what is opt-in and single opt-in, double opt-in. What is opt-in? This term we need to familiar. Opt-in means actually is a consent. Okay, generally, okay, many cases it's a dual verification happen. Okay, you can first you are going to their site, then you are sending the email if you register in the Salesforce. So what will happen? It will go to your create account, then it will go to your mail again, it will get a link and you will be given the consent, and then actually you will be able to subscriber. So it is a many cases it's a dual opt-in, double opt-in, and also single opt-in. Opt-in is a consent. Okay, this in terms of Salesforce SFMC term, it's called opt-in. Okay, so now we are going to familiar with the lists. We are going to familiar with what is a Salesforce, what is a list in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It is very important. Lists are default method of storing data in Marketing Cloud Email Studio. Using list, which represents a collection of subscribers, you can segment your audience and set different attributes for each. These attributes are used to store a subscriber status on a given list. So let us check in our system. Okay, just I'm clicking here, lists. Okay, so you can create one list because it's all data. We do not keep immediately together. It is a number of subscriber. We make a club actually. Suppose different purpose in a organization, their data is different groups actually. That groups is called lists. How to create a list? Suppose you have to create it is a list. You can create a okay. Click on save. Now it has created a list. Okay, if I expand it, click here.
Sir, there was the public list. So what does that mean when we created the list?
Okay, public list actually it will be accessed by, suppose there is a I am a user, okay, you are another user. Okay, by default it will be access to me, but if I give the access that allow, then it will be others also will be able to access. Okay, otherwise it will
Okay.
not access to others.
Okay.
My lists. Okay, this is okay. This is the list. Now this is a list, but this list do not have any data at this moment. No subscriber at this moment. Okay, so we want to, okay, suppose I want to create it. Click on create. Okay, create subscriber widget. Okay, subscriber key. Suppose I want to create Finish. Just a minute. They will be very slow, so.
So as you have mentioned before that the subscriber key should be like unique to every user. So and like right now we have created a manual subscriber key for that particular person. So like should it be unique only in the
Yes,
in that
it is a-
particular list or like all
If
the
it is
list under
unique,
the account?
it is, if it is not unique, it will be not allowed. It will give the message that it is already exists. Okay. It will.
Okay, okay. Got it.
This is the recently 2-3 days notice server is behaving too slow. And why it is getting hanged. Okay, it should not be hanged. Anyway, let we can go to this. So first is an all subscribe list. List is a lists are list attributes are limited for lists. Okay, and list is used for okay very small cases. It's newsletter, alerts, coupon. List is small group of user. Okay, generally we create the list for okay all subscriber is a master list, but list normal list is a newsletter, alert, coupon, birthday list is small group of user. We can import and export okay in we can import and export data using CSV file in Salesforce SFMC. It's only it is support all data will create import and export in the CSV file type. Okay. And not attributes cannot be changed or okay manipulated. List content max list contains 5 lakhs of subscriber. We'll go in depth details. Somehow it is creating some problem. Why it is getting hanged. surprise. Anyway, we can check other lists. We can showcase you some other list already. Lists. Okay, this is one list we have created. It is a earlier I have created list. It contains. Okay, it is a list I have created. Okay, it is a 3 value I have given here. Okay, it is a email address, status, subscriber key. Okay, the email address, status, subscriber key. These are the value, and these are the other field. It has been automatically created. So let us, if I want to, I can import this value also. Okay, the on email ID, status, active, I can import. Let me. How can we import? Okay, suppose this is the email address, subscriber key, and okay, we can do import here also. Okay, let me create another data extension. Create a template. These are the data. Okay, so if I want to, let me need to check here what are the minimum 3 fields. Okay, email ID, first name, last name. Okay. Why it is not creating allow? Every time it is coming here, it is getting anyway. So let me check Okay, so let me go through. Okay, so what is a list? Actually, list are the default method of storing data. Okay, list. What is a list? List are the default method of storing data in Marketing Cloud Email Studio. Using list, which represents list is nothing but a list is nothing but a collection of subscriber. There is a multiple way we can create subscriber. This is not a single option. It is anyway, it is not getting hanged actually. So there is a multiple way to create a collections of subscriber. You can segment your audience and set different attributes for each. Okay, you can create a different lists with different attribute sets. Okay, the attributes are used to store subscriber status on a given list. Attributes are used to store a what is the subscriber behavior, characteristics. That is a list. It is its attributes. Okay, so next, it is one of the very important things in it is called data extension. Data extension, actually what it is. Okay, today we will learn this is the things. Data extension. Data extension, actually in normal database, generally we store data in a table. It is a database, general database used Oracle, MySQL, or any other system with this database. It's called table. So table contains data, relational data. In SFMC, what is the key things? It is called data extension, which is equivalent to a table. So data extension is simply a table or a relational database that contains all of your company information, customer data like name, address, age, all of the data we can create. Okay, what are the attributes is required? So like Excel spreadsheet, we can in Excel spreadsheet, what we can do? We can Excel spreadsheet, we can keep data. So we can keep track of any information in a data extension. Even we can upload the data in Excel that is equivalent to CSV here to upload in the data extension. Okay, so let us check where it is in SFMC. So go to here. We are going to here data extension. This is the very important things. Okay, it will be throughout our entire sessions. Okay, every time it will be used. Data extension. Data extension, it's equivalent to like a table like this. It is where it stored data. So data extension. Okay, we can create data extension. Okay, there is a two way we can create data extension. One way, create it standard data extension, filter data extension, random data extension. We will think what this option later. First is a standard data extension. Click OK. So creation method. Okay, there is we are creating the data extension, first data extension. So this create as a new, create for new. Okay, I am giving a name. I am giving a name. The data extension, think about a table like this. It is if it is a table name is employee data. Employee data, D for data extension. Okay, what it is, external key will be detailed data. For timing, we are just keeping it. Okay, why it is sendable will be learn later. Just click next. Click next. Okay. So here we are creating table like this. First field, suppose it is a employee data extension. So we are giving the employee ID. EMP ID. Here type, data type. Suppose it is a data type. We can keep okay. Text is okay. Or
Number.
okay, number. I am keeping employee number. Even I am keeping it is a primary key. Next, EMP name underscore email underscore ID Here data type, you can choose email address. Okay. So here employee underscore city, employee underscore city,
Text.
give text. You can write employee underscore phone number. Okay, employee underscore. Okay. Create. Okay, data extension already exists. Okay, this name is already exists on it. What we can do, we can back. This name is already exists. That's the reason it's not allowed. Next. Okay, now we have changed the name, create. So it has created data extension SFMC data employee data. So data extension, it has SFMC employee D1 data extension, it has been created. So where it is, okay, go to email studio, and then you go to subscriber, and here we are going to data extension. So in data extension, okay, what we have created data extension. Okay, and actually we need to create a folder, and inside it we need to keep. Otherwise, it will be difficult to manage. SFMC. Okay, this is the okay. I can move it to folder. So this is okay. So it creates a on kind tabular kind of things. You go to the records. Now it has no records. Now it has no record. So how we can give the data? We can give the data. Okay, there is another two options we can give the data. On options in email studio, we can import data from Excel or CSV file. We can import data from CSV file. Another option, we can create data from different way. Let us showcase you first manual way how we can create. Then we can showcase you how we can import the data from CSV file. Data extension. Here we can go to records. So here no record. I can create record. I can create add record. We can add record. So I want to add record here. Employee ID. It is a suppose okay 1001. Okay, employee email ID. Suppose Aishi @gmail. Okay. Aishi, can you give your valid email ID? So it will be later, it will be required. Okay. Can you give your valid email ID in chat box?
Sure.
Maybe some. I'm giving first my email ID. And then you can give your valid email ID. So it will be okay. So it will be, okay, 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 Suppose implicity. Kolkata.
I have sent you in WhatsApp.
Yes, yes, yes. 6, 9. Okay, save. One minute. You review your data and ensure the validity of all provided values. If error persists after you make your necessary errors, contact the global support. What is the problem? On any field is employee phone, employee DOB. Timing I've deleted. Nullable, not nullable, not nullable, no. Okay. Employee datable value, length, employee city, list employee number. Okay, create attribute,
Sir, what is nullable here?
record.
Sir, what was nullable in the previous slide where you were
Nullable
updating?
actually, suppose some cases text field we can keep the okay nullable and not nullable. Nullable, not nullable means that field you have to give the value. Compulsory, you have to give the value. Nullable means you are allowing that fields can be okay. It can be blank also. Okay, user may not give input also. That is a nullable. You are
Okay.
allowing.
Okay, got it.
Review your data and ensure that the on it. Get the extension. data extension, data. These are the all data extension created by me. Okay, this is okay. Just for you, I am showing an example. Okay, like this is a on table I have created. Okay, so let it come. Data extension and subscriber, there is some difference. Data extension means actually you are creating the table and you are creating data, but that data actually that record, okay, it is a user data. But they are not till subscriber. They are not till subscriber. Too much time is taking. Okay, so here actually data extension exists. Let us create it on record here. Create. Please confirm that you would like to play. Okay. So here, this is the on data extension. So here we can only import. We can import from only CSV file, but I am creating a record from manually. So create manually record create. Okay, data extension. We need to go to again contact. Data extension. Okay, this is the student table. Okay, it is a data extension. Okay, let us go to record. First, I'm creating a record. Let us check why it is. Okay, here I'm creating a record 101, 102, 103. Suppose it is a 103. Next student, suppose Ayushi. Ayushi, okay, suppose. Okay. It is creating a record. Okay, so now you can I have to create another record. Add record.
Sir, how many records can we create
Can
under
you
data
repeat?
extension?
Can
How
you
many
repeat?
records can we create under the data extensions?
How many records we can create data extension? We can create say 5 lakhs records we can create in the data extension. But there is a we will go in details in future. Okay, so data extension, it is a huge okay, limitation is there. Okay.
Okay.
Here actually already data action created, we are inserting the record, but we should create a data extension. Like in this system, Ayushi and Indrani, your record I'm creating, but till you are not subscriber of this SFMC system, it is just storing your data. The moment it will send a mail to you from this system, then you will become a subscriber actually.
Okay.
So, student.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So this is the actually here it is a data. This is a student. These are the some data extension, or is a country is a data extension. Okay, this is student is a data extension. Country info data extension. So let us create again here. Try another one. Try. Why it was not allowing that time. Create my. We are creating new data extension. Info. This is data extension. Okay. We will learn is later also. At this moment is not required. Okay. Next, give a field. Suppose I am giving the field employee. Employee key. Employee key. Just I'm keeping text. Just check why it is emp. Only two field I have created. Just two field. Then okay, so it is a created. It creates a new data extension. It creates a new data extension. If it is create new data extension, so I want to, okay, it is a two attribute, but I can change, I can add more attribute. Like I want to add a new attribute, suppose emp underscore phone. Okay, create. Emp underscore equal to say phone.
Type will be number, I think.
Attribute name currently used. Okay. Tell me.
Type employee phone type will be number.
Take employee. Okay, suppose I'm giving this. It is a four activities included. Now, okay, you can go to records. In these records, you can create add record. You can create add record. Okay, if it is a, I am giving suppose me. Okay, 0010. Okay, it is a just an email ID I am giving. Okay, now it is working. Add record.
Yes. No, it is.
So this is the data extension. The what is this data extension? Data extension means it is a nothing but a actually it is a in SFMC, and whenever data comes first and they do not become subscriber actually, they store in a place that is a data extension. But then we start to use it in through this SFMC tool, then they becomes actually subscriber. So this is the data extension. So data extension is simply a table relational database that contains all of the your information. Okay. It's similar like in Excel sheet. Again, we can try out to upload data through CSV file. Here, actually, we have created data from here. We have created manually inserted data, but I want to upload this data
Import.
1, 2, 3, 4 field data, okay, through an CSV file.
Yes.
Okay. So how to do it? Let us create a okay. I'm creating a data action template file.
Sir, so
Save
the
as.
records that we have created, so can we, like, there was an option to clear the records and it was clearing all of the records. So is it possible to clear only a single record
Okay.
out of the list?
On. Okay. There is a clear record. Okay. You want to single record. 1 minute. There is a check. Changing contact data or alter the function of this. Okay. Clearing the data or more, one or more records in a data extension affects how you can use information within the data extension. Okay, I think it is not giving more option. Okay, you can click it. And all data is removing. Okay, so it is a at present. Okay, I need to check it that email. This is the contact filter, but there is another options are there. Individual, you are asking for individual record delete. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Let me check. Extension.
Yes, there is in down. Yes, yes. Data extensions.
Okay, if I go to here, this is the fourth field. Records. It is not giving the option for clear data individually. Please confirm that you would like to clear all of the data in the student. The action cannot be undone. It is not giving, okay, these not giving option for individual record delete. It is a, okay. Generally, it's a, this feature is called truncation. Generally, if we want to delete all record, it is called truncate option. So we delete all data together.
Okay, okay.
But that should be there. Okay, at least on record, maybe I have given the, there is option for modification is there. Okay, on for modification is edit record there. record. Your data. Export, import options are there. Export, input options are there.
I think there are checkboxes available. So I think uh,
No,
have
it is a two option, but individual delete is not.
in records, have to put in
Mhm.
records. There is a left side in check option is available.
On.
I think you have what you have to delete. You want to
Uh,
delete, then you have to check first, then clear data. I think.
Okay, okay, 1 minute. This is the 104. There is on option. Clear
Yes,
record.
yes,
Then it
yes,
will be delete single record. Right?
yes, yes, yes. There
It
is
is a
a
single record. Very good.
yes.
It is a single record. And here actually clear record means all record. The moment you will be
all
select it,
clear.
then it will be okay. It is an individual record.
Division. And
Okay.
here already edit option is available.
Yes, yes. Edit here. The moment select it, again
Yes,
edit
edit
option is
option is available.
individual record. Edit option is available.
Available,
This
yes.
is the data extension. So we can edit individual. We can create record. We can edit record. We can delete record. And again, another option is there. You can, this is a 1 or 2 record, but in real life, you will be work with a huge record. So your data, even data will come from different system. So you can import data through, okay, CSV file. So let us check at least today up with, okay, student ID, student name. 1 minute. You can create a data. Sorry. Okay, create a data extension template. Save as. You need to save as a, okay, it is a CSV file. You need to student data. And do it, otherwise you need to select this comma separate file, is comma CSV file, comma delimited. It will be CSV file. Okay. So here, what we can do, what are the fields are there? First field, student underscore ID, student underscore ID. Second field, student name. Third field, student email. Email. Student city. City.
Then phone.
Student phone, student country.
Check.
Now we can give a value here. Next, we can go to, yeah. Okay, now we want records. Import, click on import. Okay. Choose file. Okay, next. Student ID, student. Map or header. No, if it is a two column, it is a not match. In that case, we need to give it. Okay, it is okay. Student name. Optional. Okay. Finish. Will it happen? So next. Okay. So we'll go in tomorrow. We will also, it is an initial session, so we need to repeat some time. Okay, so we'll go for again a subscriber or subscriber, and in this section, it is a very important and key area. Actually, we need to repeat it also. So today, what we have done, only standard data extension we have done. There is a more would be filter data extension, random data extension. We'll do later.
Okay.
So it is a data extension. It is a data extension. Actually, normal list, it has a limitation, but so data extension do not have is n number of subscriber can be done for data extension. Okay. So here actually this is the okay main information. What is a list and data extension? What is the difference? Data extension can be used. There are equal and greater data generally, or data extension, it can hold more than 5 lakhs records, and generally lists are recommended to use when there are less than 5 lakhs records. 5 lakh records, that is a use for lists, and data extension, it is a more than 5 lakhs record, it is a recommendation. Data extensions are used when there is no limits on the attributes. In data extension, we can create the attributes like student table or employee table. We have created 3-4 attributes, but it do not have any limit. Lists are used when there is a limited set of attributes. Generally, when small number of attributes, we use the lists. Data extension is recommended for high data import speed. Data extension list can be used for lower data import speed. Data extension can manipulate relational historical data and has ability to use publication list to manage. Okay, publication list, what it is, we'll go later. Okay, list are used to trigger welcome email when the subscriber is added and set up double opt-in options. Okay, so general list means the list are used to trigger welcome email, which send a mail, first mail. Okay, subscriber is added and set up double opt-in. So this is the conclusion for today. Okay, a list can be used if you want a simple list of names and email address and or want to use welcome message or double opt-in. Data extension can be used if you want to store additional information for subscriber required if you want to publication list to manage subscriber. Publication list will be learned later. List have limited functionality. Data extension provide full flexibility to store and relate subscriber information. Okay, so this is all for today. Okay, so we will go for again this section will do some repeat tomorrow, and we will go for in depth.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Let me check whether it is included. I need to report actually the data server is too much slow.
The server is too much slow.
Okay, let us check actually. It is a we all are facing also need to report Cloud Foundation. The server is getting slow. Maybe there too much user or any reason. Okay, so anyway, we are keeping here up to it. Okay, so we will next task is actually we will sit tomorrow so that we can set up some environment for you. Okay, so that is another requirement. So you can check use this environment or not. That we also test. Otherwise, need to go for okay dedicated org actually. So if we can try out that actually tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sure.
Okay. Okay, I'm keeping it here. Okay, anyhow, it is not responding properly. Okay. Oh, hello, Siddharth. You have joined. Actually, I have, but initially your speaker was not working.
Yeah, there are some network issues, sir. So I'm so sorry for that. Then now it's stable. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, okay, I'll call you separately. Okay.
Sure, sir. Okay, sure.
We just started. These are the section will be repeat also. I'm
Yeah,
doing
yeah.
slow, but actually next week onwards it will be speed up. Okay, from first February on it will be speed up, and these are the section initially will be repeat also.
Okay, but the thing is, if you want to practice it, do you have any trial or some this one, sir? I mean, the marketing cloud.
Actually, it is a SFMC is not the environment. Okay.
Hmm.
So for me, actually, I have taken one environment from one, it is a Cloud Foundation organization. But
Okay.
actually, let us check whether we can share among ourselves that is feasible or not. Not actually in that case, actually need to check the individual whether there is another restriction because they can track machine MAC address or something. We
Right,
need
right.
to check it. Whether if it is a okay, then we
Ah.
can go ahead with the server utilization, and
Okay.
otherwise we can go different work also.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you, Aishi. Thank you, Indrani.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hmm.